From stick to masterpiece, the art of whittling.
Whittling isn't just about wood, it's about transformation. Imagine turning an ordinary stick into a work of art. With a simple blade in your imagination, explore the timeless craft of whittling where each cut leads you closer to creating something beautiful and meaningful. Are you ready to begin? Whittling has been cherished for generations, a craft that survived ages, appealing to those seeking mindfulness and creativity. It's rooted in tradition yet accessible to anyone with a piece of wooden knife. This ancient art encourages patience, precision, and personal expression, welcoming everyone to its fold. Before starting, let's familiarize ourselves with the essentials. A reliable carving knife, a piece of softwood, and safety gloves are your allies. These simple tools are all you need to begin your artistic journey. Remember, every masterpiece starts with the first cut, so choose your tools wisely. Begin with basic shapes. Practice carving simple figures, perhaps a small animal or a twig. This phase is about getting comfortable with the knife and understanding wood grain patterns. With each practice session, you enhance your skills and gain confidence in your abilities. Whittling demands respect and care. Always carve away from your body and keep your hands out of the knife's path. Wearing gloves can prevent accidents, ensuring your focus remains on the creative process. Safe practices are key to enjoyable and sustainable whittling. As your comfort grows, challenge yourself with more complex projects. Explore textures, details, and three-dimensional forms. This is where whittling evolves from simple beauty to intricate artistry, allowing your personal touch and creativity to shine uniquely in each piece you create. Let your mind unwind. Engaging with wood and knife can offer a meditative escape, a chance to disconnect from daily stress. As your hands work, your mind finds calm and clarity, reaching a harmony that makes each carving session profoundly therapeutic and rewarding. Join a vibrant community of fellow whittlers. Share your creations and learn from others, drawing inspiration from diverse styles and techniques. Whether online or in person, these forums provide encouragement, feedback, and the invaluable feeling of belonging to a creative family. Is whittling a skill or just a hobby? It's both. It refines your dexterity and artistic eye while also offering a leisure activity that cultivates fulfillment and satisfaction. Each carve is a step further in self-discovery, blending skill cultivation with enjoyable pastime. Unlock the artist within and let whittling be your gateway to self-expression. Dive into this enriching craft today. Equip yourself with a knife and piece of wood, and embark on a journey to artistic mastery. If this video inspired you, please like and subscribe to keep growing our creative community together.